All right, here's the Ethereum update for today. First of all, sorry guys. I know that the past couple of recordings may not have been easily accessible. Silly me, I just didn't press the um, posting key button on the YouTube. So I apologize for that. They are both running right now, a little late as it might be. So, but from those to today, it really hasn't changed too much. Only in that the downward trend to the meeting the 461 or 0.781 Fib level correction is just progressing. So here yesterday we labeled this as a potential downward wedge, and that could still be possible if even if it goes lower straight down from here, because we just redraw the lines. These lines are being drawn only as a forward discernment exercise. And that's one of the important things that I think is sometimes pretty hard to um, learn and acquire, but just takes practice just like anything else. So we still have this ABC. This head and shoulders was just beautifully executed, complete and confirmed. In price, by breaking the neckline, the volume was just as impressive. And the decline has occurred in now what looks like a C wave, red C, in wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we should be on the final leg of the wave 5 of blue 5 of C. If we zoom in a little bit more, but before we do that, we adjusted the wave 3 to be here, and there should be a wave 4 bounce. It doesn't have to come all the way up here, it can just come up a little bit too. So let's zoom in into this zone a little more. Let's get this more into perspective. So if we're counting the subwaves, we have 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, ABC for 2, and then we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 was extended here for wave 3. And that can be counted as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As the subwaves of red 3. And this 4 will be an ABC, A, B, and C. For the red 4. And then from here, we should see 5-wave decline. For wave 5. Remember that in earlier waves, actionary waves 1, 3, and 5 all have 5 subwaves. And I think it'll be just beautiful if this wedge actually took place. And a breakout from this wedge would be just classic. Now, I did not consistently maintain the degree of trend, so I have same degree of trend for the subwaves here and subwave there, but that's okay for now. Technically, it should all be subwaved correctly into the correct degree of trend. Now, if we go to the longer term, we are looking at the same thing. It hasn't changed much at all. The ABC, the bull flag, is still in play. And that bull flag, the end of the bull flag should ideally be at 0.786 or 458 or 461. And please do know and be aware that we can go to 0.88. And I think this cluster support here right now is holding back price a little bit. But if it does break through that, it can go to this wedge pattern to the bottom of C. Now, could it be right around where 0.618 is and that's the end of the correction? Yes. It'll be awesome if we just do a turnaround right here. But I think I'd be surprised to see Ethereum turn around ahead of Bitcoin. Although maybe Ethereum will still get the leading baton to do so. But I think 0.786 is still the target for the wave C correction for the ABC on this bull flag, which is correcting the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up and impulse. Therefore, it's now acting out the requisite retracement correction per Elliott wave fractals. All right, I hope this helps augment your due diligence, and I truly wish you a wonderful day.